Let's start computer class with practical of Windows 7.
Students, today we start with the practical of Windows 7. So before starting this, tell me, what do you mean by window? Window is an operating system. Window is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Students, the person who work on computer is known as user and your computer is hardware. So the first thing you interact with when you open your computer is the window. Okay, tell me which company founded Windows. Okay, so Windows was developed by Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft is a company and founded by Bill Gates. Okay, student. So the first thing you interact with is it is desktop. This is desktop, and all these are icons. All these are icons. Okay, students. All these are icons, and see here, this is the start button. This is the start button, and this is the task bar. This is the task bar. All these are icons. This is the start button and this is the task bar. Okay, so we can find various icons on the desktop. Okay, so this is the icon of my computer. This is the icon of my computer, which gives you a view of available drives and their contents. When you double click on it, see here, there are various drives: local disk C, D, E, F. Okay, and your favorites, libraries, home group, network, all these things are in the my computer. Okay, see, this is the icon of recycle bin. What do you mean by recycle bin? Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted object. When you delete any file, then that goes in the recycle bin. For example, if I delete this, right click on this, then click on delete. Okay, this will ask you, are you sure that you want to move this file to the recycle bin? Yes. Students, that deleted file goes in the recycle bin. See, this is the recycle bin with the dustbin icon is here, because the deleted file goes in the recycle bin. When you double click on it, see here the article which this file I have deleted right now, and this goes in the recycle bin. If you want to restore this again, by default, by mistake you have deleted this file, then you right click on this and click on restore. Okay, see, the file goes again on that folder article. Okay, so by mistake, if you delete any file and that file goes in the recycle bin, then you can also restore that file. Okay, you can also create a new folder on desktop. Just right click on it, go to the new and then folder. Okay, just rename it. Okay, so this is the method of creating folder. What we have done, first of all, right click on the desktop, click on new and then folder, then rename it. Okay, so a folder contains files. We can put our files in folders. Okay students, now I tell you about control panel. Control panel, how you can open that panel. Okay, control panel, starting first of all click on the start button, then in the right pane control panel is there. Okay, just click on the control panel. See, this is the control panel. Okay, if you want to change date and time, basically control panel is the system folder. Okay, so if you want any changes related to date and time, or any font change, or any other changes, you want to uninstall any program, any software, you can do this in the control panel. For example, if you want to change the date and time, just click on the date and time option and click on the change date and time. So if you want to change the date, just change the date from here, and you change the month also. Okay, today is 30th April, so I change the date. You can also change the time also in the form of hours, minutes and seconds, and click on OK. Okay, so see here 30th April 2020 and the time is this. Just click on OK button. Students, do you know you can also change the mouse pointer? Click on mouse and go to the pointers tab. You can change any of the pointer from here. Okay, see here, this is like this. You can change any of the pointer from here and then click on OK. Okay, so this is the control panel where you can make any changes. If you want to uninstall any program, you want to uninstall any software that is of no use, you can click on programs and features in control panel. Okay, and just right click on this and click on uninstall button. The software that is of no use, that will be uninstalled from your computer. Okay, so where are we doing these changes? Just click on the start button, and then in the right pane click on the control panel. See, here are various options. You can change any options from. Students, if you want to delete any folder, then just right click on that folder and click on delete button. Okay, it asks you, are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? You click on yes, and then folder is deleted. If you want to restore that again, you just click on that and click on the restore button. Okay, if you want to permanently delete, you don't want that file or any other file again in your computer, you just empty the recycle bin also by clicking on empty the recycle bin. No file will be restored again. If I click on this, then it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these items? If I don't want this file again, I just click on yes. See, the recycle bin is empty now. Okay, this is recycle bin. Okay, where the deleted file goes. Students, see here, this is the tux paint. Basically this is an application icon. This is known as application icon because this is for painting software and its name is tux paint, but this is an application. Okay, see here, here is one arrow because this is the shortcut of tux paint application. That's why This is arrow shows you that it is shortcut icon. How can you create shortcut? Just right click on this, new, click on shortcut. Okay, it will ask you which software you want to make shortcut, then fill its name and click on next button. Okay, if you want to refresh your system is hanging, so you just click on, right click on desktop and click on refresh button. Okay, just click on refresh button. So today you understand about how to create a folder. Just right click on the desktop, click on new and just click on folder and then rename. You know about recycle bin, how to delete your file or folder and that file goes in the recycle bin. Okay,
My name is Mansi and you are watching my channel Amazing Art and Craft. Please like and subscribe my channel.